We have made it to Rome. This is me and Maddie's room. Well, that's Maddie. And here's our view, or not our view, but view from the room. Ciao. Ciao. So me and Maddie are roommates. We have a big closet. Oh, we got hangers. Yeah, here's our bathroom. Yeah. Before I go. This is our bathroom. Very nice. And this is a bidet. Use that to clean their butts. We learned that. Hello. It's probably a heater. It's Jordan. Hi. Hi. It's the kitchen. My roommates. Hello. Another bedroom. And another bedroom. So it's actually very, very nice. Cool. It's very hot. There's no air conditioner.
Okay, this is how you pronounce Italian from America. Or even Irish. I kind of said it like I had like a piece of hay in my mouth. Okay, more from Oklahoma. Oh man. So our cooking class. There you go. Yeah. Oh, do I do? Press it down, or what do you do? Am I getting it? Wait, I want to get it. So you just roll it? Yeah. Ready? It's like dough. Michaela, it is dough. We made all of it. I made it with my bare hands. We rolled this out. We enslaved it. Literally enslaved it. Thank you. What was it called? It's called a chocolate souffle. So we've made it to the train station where we are meeting Maddie's parents at Venice. It's early. It's 8 o'clock. We've been up since 6:30ish, I guess. And so we're gonna catch a train on our way there. Hopefully we make it on the train. And then we'll be in Florence. And then my parents are flying in later, so we'll meet them there.
say Bella.
Bella?
But you have to say it like with an Italian accent. Bella.
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 Yeah, that means beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah, and they order even there.
I know.
Say
Let me
it
get a
like
beer
this.
cheese.
Say
Let me
it
get a
like
beer
this.
cheese.
Say
Let
it
me get a
like
beer
this.
cheese.
Huh? Oh my. Just try prego real fast. Prego.
Prego.
That's better. Did you get that? Yeah.
Here you go.
We've made it to Florence. Just got off the train. Oh shoot, my bag is unzipped. And now we are just gonna walk around until our room is, oh! We have a Brandy Melville. I wanna get a Florence shirt. Meaning already on his first outing of gelato. And it is currently 10:30. It's good, huh, bud?
Like, I hate to eat and run.
Oh my gosh! Hurry. Okay, that's good. That's on number 2 for the day. Number what?
128.
Oh my gosh. What's the flavor?
Limonada.
We have just boarded to head to or back to Rome, so we're leaving Florence. This is our train. And then we have class later today. Peace. We just got done at the Conicone.
At the what?
At the Conicone. And we just saw people buried in there. And statues with a kitty cat. And now we're trying to figure out if we want to go to the Spanish Steps or go get something to eat. We have learned some Spanish word like good or thank you is gracias. Gracias. And thank you is pico.
No. Pedro.
Prego.
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 I want some plates.
Okay, that's the last time we'll see the Conicane. Now back over to me. So Lachlan's taking a break of the vlogging right now. Whoa.
Put that around your hat.
I'm trying. Okay, this is better. Beep, 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 beep. There's a lot of people that do that here. Alright, we'll be back and we're getting a selfie break.
Number 703.
Oh, you got more?
Is it moving? Hang on. Keep going.
Oh my god!
I want to grab my hat.
And the nail popped off. What did you? Oh my god! You have blood on.
Yeah. Look, I'm stained.
She got blood on her. Ow! Just like.
What you hit?
I went to grab my thing and I guess my pen popped it off. The whole
I mean, I heard it crack. Is the nail one?
almost feels like.
I just pissed all over myself.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Here, let's see if you can paint that. Let's tell Dad that you tripped on the sidewalk. You fell in a cavern over your finger.
That is.
That wouldn't make it.
What's that?
God, just go.
God.
I swear.
You're gonna get hit by stopping.
Yeah, you just go.
As long as I've got the dough. That's the eBay song.